Welcome back to the comprehensive algo trading course by mini traders. In this video, we'll learn how to download, install, and use Python on our computer. We have talked about Python and why we need it in our previous videos. So let's get started. The first step is to download Python from official website python.org. In Downloads page, you should see a big yellow button that says Download Python. Click on it and it will take you to the download page. Here, you'll see different versions of Python for different operating systems. Choose the latest version for your system and click on it to start the download. Once the download is complete, run the installer. You'll see a few options, but you can leave them as their default settings. Now we have Python installed. Let's check its version. Open the command prompt or terminal if you're on Mac or Linux. Type py-version. This will show you the version of Python that you just installed. Let's write a simple Python program to test if everything is working correctly. In the command prompt, type py to enter the Python interpreter. Now type the following code. Print mini traders. This will display the message mini traders on the screen. To exit the interpreter, type exit. Now, let's run the same program in IDLE, which is an integrated development environment that comes with Python. Open IDLE. Type the same code as before. You should see the same message displayed in the output window. Finally, let's save the code as a file and run it. In IDLE, go to File and New File. Write the same code. Open File and Save. Choose a name for your file. Make sure it ends with .py and save it to your desktop. Now run the program and you should see the same message. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on algorithmic trading and Python programming. In the next video, we'll show you an easier way to use Python for trading. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Have a good time and bye.